All right, here we are, part 2. Oh my gosh, it's heavy.
All right, all Hinson hands and a Kinect and a pear tree.
No, they're not. They're all sitting and playing with their toys. We got one final gift to open, guys.
Yeah, tell them we gotta get going here. This is ridiculous.
Okay. This is the final gift.
You can only share this gift if you help open it, Wyatt.
Oh, you hear that? That means you can only use it if you help open it.
All right. Now, here.
How do you know?
No opening presents. We're gonna get loaded up to take the Grammy.
We ready? All right, we're ready, Anthony.
On your
Ready?
mark.
Set.
Set.
Stop it!
Wyatt doesn't know what it is.
What is an Xbox Kinect? Stop!
Uh-oh.
That went well.
Jacob, I know you're excited, but he doesn't like to do that. Jacob looked attacked and screamed, and Wyatt was just scared. He didn't know what was going on. Why? Jacob is... Be very careful, honey. Wow, that...
Pam, you talk to your husband about it.
Yeah. Congratulations on doing what Santa would not do.
I talked to your husband.
Oh, you did?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Me and I talked to Santa. It's Grammy's fault.
I've never heard. Why did you get? I never.
Okay, open the next present, Brian and Jacob.
Well, I guess.
Hold on, we have to do a little...
Yep.
I'm never going to open presents again!
We have to do
Take
some...
it down.
Yeah, well, because he got scared, because Jacob got so freaked out that
What was your brother's?
Wyatt got really upset and went off to his room and slammed the door because he was scared. And
What did he do?
well,
He bum rushed him?
yeah, pretty much. You'll get to see it on the video, I guess.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
Yeah, Jacob was screaming really loud right by his head, and Wyatt didn't like that. And then Jacob tried, I said, Jacob, he doesn't know what it is. And then Jacob tried to explain by screaming at him and grabbing his shoulders and shaking it back and forth that it was an Xbox 360. And Wyatt really didn't like that.
Slap him across the face.
Yeah. Wow. Now, okay, so
I have a gaming system.
now, oh my gosh, that's why it was so
I didn't know
heavy.
you weren't here.
So it's both of them?
Yep.
It's the 360 and the Kinect?
Yep.
Y'all are crazy.
You guys rock!
Jacob thinks you rock. I think
You are awarded the best anti-ever award.
Oh, thanks. That's Anthony and Grammy.
Yeah.
It was a duo.
It was a duo of
Awesomeness!
devilish gift giving.
Yeah. Hey, and a DVD player.
That's why you're like, you just see which one's cooler.
Yeah.
Hey Wyatt, honey, that's very rude. Can you please stop?
It's okay.
Thank you. So honey, it's an Xbox 360 and a
Which
Kinect.
game is it?
I
Well,
don't
you can
know.
get different
Why
games.
don't we
you know
let
that.
Wyatt open the last gift since he had a little bit of a set. It's right there under the tree, that little one, with the green wrapping. Really small. That one.
Wait. Let's another move your book.
Come on, come over here so we can see it.
Well, we have a headset,
Brian
We
is
have-
close by.
a chat pad,
Yeah, we're all here. Come over here so we can see it on
wireless
the video.
controller. Oh, jeez. This is loaded.
It's like, now, Ivan
Do it.
is trying to open the bag his own special way. So this is our last gift from the crazy Trinketmore, New Mexico clan.
Oh, it's another movie.
What?
Oh, it's an Xbox game. It's an Xbox game.
Awesome.
Oh.
Sounds strange.
Something with the
You'll get to see it, honey, because it's going to be ours. It's like,
Where's the Wonder Shark 3?
what is that? What is it?
Wait, it's from the same makers of that game. And it's remember that?
That's the commercial.
It's not the same one, but it's
Jenny,
Frozen 3.
He's opened all the wrapping and the bow's still on.
Yeah, he ripped all the paper off, but the bow is still on it.
Let me see.
Wow.
Wyatt, it's the race car game.
So
Well, I
you
don't
can
probably
play
like that
it.
adventure game. I
Yeah.
think one is better. It's the Kinect.
Oh
Oh,
jeez,
yeah.
I have to draw Spencer. You'll be like freaked out. Look at that Xbox Kinect.
And just so you guys know, you can, when they're good boys and they earn more money, there are inexpensive games like for Wyatt's age that are like $20. So
Okay.
they're not wildly outrageous.
Yeah. Well, hey guys, why don't y'all calm yourself down and go over and say a very gracious thank
Without
you
screaming.
to the video camera.
Thank you, 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 thank you,
Yeah,
thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you,
Yeah, I'm gonna
thank
take
you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Wyatt, you want to say thank you? And Daddy, do you want to say
Thank
thank you?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, Wyatt's was like the
Thank
saddest
you.
thank you of all.